Hello and welcome to Tagaytay.
Today it's a new year, it's a new start, it's a new time to reflect upon your loved ones and upon your life. And for that, we decided to come to Tagaytay. What better place than to energize our inner selves than going around and exploring this nice area.
Twin Lakes. Everybody comes here, everybody finds it very interesting, and everybody's very excited and visits this place whenever they come to Tagaytay, because you have some of the best views of the Taal volcano and the Twin Lakes here in Tagaytay. One of the first things that I noticed here in Tagaytay was the fact that the temperature suddenly dropped after we left from Manila. We came here. Now I'm wearing a long sleeve because it was pretty windy, pretty rainy these days, and I had to get used to the colder temperatures, but hopefully now the rain will stop and the sunny days are coming back again. Until then, we're gonna try to see if we can notice the volcano and give you like the best views for it. After that, we're gonna have the best food available here in Tagaytay that everyone else recommended to us.
Flowers on the stairs. That's so
Flowers?
Nice. Yes, they have a pretty staircase.
Oh wow.
And
Oh, that's cool.
what could be perfect than a pretty staircase with a pretty view going up?
Wow. That is true. Beautiful flowers here.
Apparently there's a lot of people here taking pictures. That means that this is a cool spot, right?
It's a cool spot and it's a favorite destination for everyone coming from Manila. It's a weekend destination and many tourists come here. Like during the weekend, a lot of times people come here just to enjoy the cool vibes and the cool temperatures. Wow, just look at this. Really cool.
Including a Japanese restaurant.
Japanese restaurant.
But today is not about the Japanese restaurants. Today is about the Tagaytay special eating places around here. And I heard from you that if I come here, I should try Bulalo. Otherwise, I am disowned from the YouTube community. So, first things today is looking for some Bulalo here around this area. So, let's see what we're gonna find.
Hello, sir. Can you please tell me where I can find the best bulalo here?
Bulalo,
Amara?
Amare.
Amare.
This way, you straight ahead.
Thank you. Salamat po. Okay, so this way.
Thank you. Let's go, Gigi, to the Bulalo place.
I don't know if you can see it, but there's like smoke coming out of the volcano. It's one of the only active volcanoes here in the Philippines, together with the Mayong volcano from Bicol. This is also like an active volcano now, and it started to be active in 2020. Was the first one when it erupted. Before that, people could go inside and take a swim because there's also a lake inside the volcano with warm water. But now you cannot go there inside because it's an active volcano.
Amore, la cucina. Baba di Buppi Georgiana. Do you want Italian food or you want a Filipino food? I think a Filipino food today, not Italian.
Okay, Michael, okay.
Okay, frutti di mare, pasta. Not today. I see in front of me, it's another restaurant. And this one is saying the best Bulalo in town. So we have to go and check out the best Bulalo in town. Let's go, Gigi. We don't need a margherita, we need a Bulalo.
This is the 2023 code.
Home of the best Bulalo and Kare Kare. Considering I never had Bulalo and Kare Kare before, we will see if it's the best or not.
Is this the best Bulalo in town? The best?
The best.
The best. Okay, thank you. Salamat. The best.
Simply the best. Let's go inside, Gigi, before I break something.
So, one bulalo, sir, and one buko pie dishes.
Yes.
That's it.
Thank you. Okay, hopefully it's enough for us, because I have no idea what I'm ordering. I never seen Bulalo ever, and I never seen Buko Pie ever. So
And hopefully
Let's
by the end of the video, Michael is gonna learn how to properly pronounce bulalo. Bulalo.
Bulalao, Lao,
Bulalo.
Bulalao,
Oh, I was saying bulao, but it's bulala.
Bulalao, Bulalao. CGG is Bulalao.
It's bulalo.
Lao, yes. Holy flaming mother of soup, CG. Look at what we received. This is a big one. Okay. And we have to, I guess, take from here and put in here. Okay. Why do we have fork and knife in a soup, Gigi?
I don't know.
This is confusing. But I think you have to cut the things. Oh yes, oh yes. Because there's a big chunk of meat. Okay, it makes sense.
This looks so good.
Okay. Cutting the chunk of meat. Hopefully not burning myself in the process. Holy mother of me, Gigi, there's a lot of food here. Give me your bowl.
Thank you. That's it.
I can get you some cabbage also.
Wow.
Wait.
It smells so good.
And some peas.
This smells so good, guys. It's amazing. Really, really
Gigi?
good. Thank you.
Closer.
Wow. It's looking good.
Now for me. This was more complicated than I thought. But in the end, we managed to put our bulalo in our plate. So now, Gigi, it is time for us to try the magical bulalo.
Like
One for you
one for you
and one for me. And we have also this calamansi and some chili. So I guess in with the calamansi. Let me see if I can open up this meat. Gigi, eat your bulalo, not me.
It feels like it's a beef soup. It's a very hearty soup.
But the broth is the one that makes you go.
Yeah, the broth is liquid and the meat is super soft.
Yes.
That
and
means it's been boiled for a long time.
yes, and the fat is very soft and gooey, and the connective tissues are also very soft. So
You have like veggies here. We have some peas.
this is the perfect soup to go along with this kind of environment and this kind of weather, because it's a bit more cold, and the richness of the flavor and of the fattiness of the beef complements the soup perfectly.
It gives you a huge like energetic boost if you're going up a mountain, if you're hiking, if you're like feeling cold and you need to warm up. This is a perfect kind of a lunch, dinner type of thing. Wow, that looks dangerous.
Dangerous is my middle name, Gigi. Holy cholesterol. Fatty goodness. I think after this meal, I'm done. No more eating today, the whole day. This is the final meal. But no, we have also Buko Pie. Ay. Oh well, you gotta do what you gotta do. The life of the Dodo Explorer. Let's see what we have here. Buko Pie, home of the best.
This looks
Okay.
so good. Can I open?
Sure.
Can I go for it?
Ooh. It looks bukolicious.
Oh my. Smells like caramel.
Okay. Grab yourself a slice and let the buko from the heaven fall into your mouth.
I don't know if I'm allowed. supposed to do it like this.
Okay.
Oh wow. Just look at this. It looks like a cheesecake.
Blink.
Cheers.
What has this been all my life? Why?
Oh my god, it's so good.
Why haven't I had this food before? This is the best piece of pastry like ever so far. We had so far.
Oh my god, this is so good, guys. This is so good. It's mind blowing. Tastes like custard, vanilla, kind of like with the coconut flavor.
I think the coconut slice is very soft and very gooey, and it's amazing. I mean, I don't know. I have no words to describe it.
If you can look inside, it has like thin layers of coconut.
Okay.
Meat.
Meat. Meat. Very good. Meat in the bulalo, meat in the pie.
Oh, so good, so good.
The best.
Thumbs up from me.
The best of the best of the best of the best. But I'm sorry, Gigi, I cannot finish all of this. If I eat all of this, then you will have to peel me off with the scraper and roll me back downhill towards where we're staying, because I cannot move anymore.
So good, right?
Yes. Best idea you ever had to come here, Gigi. Perfect. Very good. You did good. So what do you think, Gigi? Best bulalo ever?
It's in the top right there. It's maybe top 2. One of them.
Okay. Very good. And best buko pie ever?
It's my first ever buko pie and it's the best ever. Yeah.
Cool. So, best bulalo, best buko pie. There you have it. There's no other way of putting it. Amazing. Here in Tagaytay, the perfect place to catch them all. Like the Pokemon. Okay, that being said,
Subscribe, guys, please.
75% of you are not subscribed. Please subscribe. Now, do it. Do it. I'm watching you. I'm watching it. Really, I'm watching you.
And with this beautiful view in the back of the Taal volcano and the 2 lakes here in Tagaytay, we thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.